Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes guys, we are at 800 subscribers. I'm really happy and I appreciate the love. Guys, continue to watch the videos. Subscribe guys. Hit those post notification bells so that you get notified whenever Fanika TV posts another video. Yes guys, we kind of slow down on the content from one year, but I'm coming back. So yes, today I'm going to be cooking some stew pork, rice and peas, and little pasta on the side. Yes guys, remember to like up the video guys. Share the videos to family and friends, and I'm going to I'm going to say press like where one of my favorite YouTubers always say, press like. Yes, we in the YouTube like the white line. So yes, guys, is we go cut up the meat. I go cut up the meat, guys. I have it out from morning. There, beautiful piece of pork. I bought it at my local supermarket in my parish in Portland, Kamal Supermarket. So yeah guys, if you're a meat lover, you get nicely fresh pork. Nice fresh pork. Yes guys, nice fresh pork. You get. So we are cut up with meat. A piece of one bone, so I'm go try if it take out a piece. Guys, we cut up my meat. Guys, yeah, cut them too small. Now let me cut it a bit smaller. Cause stew pork. I cut it a small. A part of the meat, so then say stamp the define. It bleed. You can't come on.
That not trouble away.
Eh?
I need deep freeze this is it.
Oh, wait, I'm not ready for that yet. I'm not ready for that yet. I cut the meat. I'm not ready for it yet. Wait. Okay, guys, you cut up the meat like a smaller. Just so skinny, so come on, buddy. It's a piece of bone too. Guys, my meat full of ice. I think that's how a little better still. I guess not. Hey guys, put your pick small. Guys, put up the meat. Yeah, guys. Yes, guys, mix up with. So yeah, guys, side pork, nice and pretty. Yeah, guys, we are wash it. This actually is still in there. Yeah, we are wash the coconut. Anything you not cook, guys, make sure so no wash them. Make sure so no wash them. Wash them off, guys. Make sure so you wash them off good. Can't do like Alice, you know. To make sure so anything you eat clean. I yesterday hear somebody asked me, because 2 minutes I work at home, I say if me ever eat none of Alice soup. I mean, I like soup. She not have nothing when me eat. She not cook nothing when me eat. I don't even know where era circle them. I don't know where era circle is. I don't know. I don't know where era circle is, so I can go to eat from Alice. So you guys, we're greater. You guys, we're greater with coconut. Myself on my own iron pan. Ooh, yeah. Well, holiday tomorrow, guys. My Sunday home, I give me pay trouble. Yeah, I'm gonna make one video tomorrow too, you know. Because me tell him this morning, tell me I go do one video, and he was like, "Yeah, I go do one video without your cameraman." me not make him do no video for me. Just I go one video myself, so me get one ring light. Look at this, I keep on. So me get one ring light, guys. Then me just, you know. Milk to the peas. Add the coconut milk to the peas. And then we're gonna put salt in it. We'll put the salt and then salt. And then we just wrap back the pot and put it back on the fire. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna add Eve. I'm going to be adding Eve twisted pasta, guys. To the pot. I make some pasta.
You put salt in there?
So yeah, guys, we are going to use Grace mayonnaise. Use the Grace mayonnaise, guys. Put down pasta. Now just put it in the fridge. And guys, me love pasta. Like it's like me can't eat food without pasta. And God knows. So remember to, if you reach this far in the video, this is how my pasta is looking. Very beautiful. So stay tuned. Guys, we're gonna add with oil. sugar to the sugar to the pot. Add the oil. Hey guys, and we're gonna add some sugar to the pot, guys, just for just the sugar. I'm gonna give the meat the coloring. Add the sugar, not a lot, and you make sure so you make it burn properly. So you guys, the pot hot. So we are gonna put in with pork. That's good. Yeah, guys, so put in with pork. Let's go. So yeah, guys, we're gonna tip some water. And that's what we are going to constantly keep on a tip water in it, guys. So yeah, so let's just have a little cup with a little water in it. And constantly tip. So yeah, guys, this, the pork almost done. I'm going to be adding some mixed vegetable and some ketchup to make to do the finishing up. So yeah, guys, this is my stew pork. This is our pot looking beautiful, and it smells really good as well. So we're gonna make it gravy, guys. Then rice will go up on fire. So we're still not done yet, guys. Still not finished yet. So yeah, guys, this is the ending. This is the finishing of my pork. Yes, guys, I'm gonna put my rice on fire now, so I can get to enjoy my dinner. So yes, guys, tell me how it look. Tell me how it look, guys. Tell me. We have scotch bonnet pepper. Hey guys, here we go. Guys, we'll add the rice. The rice pot. The rice. To the rice pot. To the rice pot. To the rice pot. So yeah, guys, end of my rice and peas. Take out the pepper. Make sure take out the pepper out of that. Yeah, guys, see, rice and peas looking really nice. Yeah, really good. Eating time.